Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In today's video, we would like to learn how to create and access an account using Overleaf, which is an online LaTeX editor. So in google.com, we search for the keyword Overleaf. Then the first website is overleaf.com. We click on it. And here is the website. So here we basically can sign up for free. We add our email and password to log in, or we can simply use our Google account, Gmail account to sign in here. So after we try to sign up for the Overleaf, we put the email, we receive a confirmation code, and you put the confirmation code there, and basically you come to this page. So you just type down your name and your last name. And have you ever used LaTeX before? You say yes, and then you continue, and you can escape also. Here, I would say the primarily work or study, so you can escape this part. So basically, you have some tutorial on LaTeX, but you can create a new project here yourself. So we just go ahead and we type down test. So this is the page that we get into when we sign in to LaTeX. So this part is the part that you do the typing and coding and everything. After you type down here, you put on recompile, and then you have your PDF generated on the right hand side. And basically now we are in the file test. Here is our home menu. If I click on it, I will go to my home. So I see my projects here. So this is my only project, for example, test. And it says that a few seconds ago by me, it was modified and compiled. And basically we can copy the code here. We can download it. We can download as a PDF. We can download as a zip file. We can archive it, and we can remove it to trashes. And on left hand side, we have all projects, your projects, and the projects that other shared with you, archived and trashed. And you can also provide some tags to different projects that you have. For example, you can have a few files for your PhD, you have some files for your papers, presentations, master thesis, etc. So you can also have some uh, tagging and categorizing projects based on what you need. So basically, when I want to go and edit further my test file, here there will be list of projects that I have. So if I want to work on test file, I will simply click on it. And here we have the main file, which will be this file that we are typing here, and we have the PDF file generated on the right hand side. We can play with the size if we want to have the PDF here larger. We can zoom out and zoom in here, and basically we can also move this part as well. And here is the file outline you will see here, but as we move forward in this course, we will have more sections, and this file outline will make more sense to you. And here is our main file, and we have the new file, so we can have another file here, for example, for references. We can have a file here, or we can have a folder. For example, we can have a folder for figures, and we upload all the figures in that folder, so this part will remain nice and clear. And this is the upload file. When we want to upload something directly in this part, you can upload it from the PC or your laptop directly here. So basically, this is how we can sign up for free and access easily to an online LaTeX editor using Overleaf, which is very common. And then in the next sections, we are going to discuss how we can see different details and we can do different things in LaTeX. Thank you for watching.